Girl Power is a great opportunity for female students to learn what STEM careers could be and to explore CNC operations for themselves.
Our goal here is just about exposure. We want our students to have exposure to the many vast array of options that exist, and then being able to do it hands-on. And then of course competition always throws a fun element to that and makes students sometimes take it a little bit more serious.
It really helps bring some awareness and to teach some of the trades that were traditionally male-dominated fields. Boss Laser specific involvement is with the laser equipment, but they have everything from CNC machines to multi-tool.
You're going to see about 100 girls here with probably 96 projects that they have constructed. They've designed it, built it using some kind of CNC technology.
The amount of artistic skills that these girls have shown in their projects is amazing.
They actually had a plan, they had drawing schematics, and they created something.
Being able to take the mindset that is there and the creative nature, but also then how do we apply that back to technical skills and then to technical equipment, and then how people can carry that forward into a career is really what we're looking for.
Honestly, I could take a kid that has been through my program and put them to work right in our community.
I probably want to work on more stuff with a laser.
Girl Power is kind of a huge initiative, encouraging girls mainly for non-traditional careers, and then to allow our schools to receive equipment to explore those types of careers.
Working with our schools and our districts across the state, it really became evident that many of them had industry folks that were asking for specific pieces, and that's really where the Boss Laser came into play, was really with our industry partners saying this is what we'd like to see there, and then the partnership kind of grew from there.
I think our count is about 28 laser machines purchased with the grant funds this year for schools in Arkansas.
This year we're giving away a laser.
We have a machine that we're going to give away to the school. The winner comes from the school. That school is going to get the laser. It's going to help reach more people that previously didn't have the experience, and help provide some positive future opportunities. Our goal at Boss Laser is to help provide that support that we can outreach to different states, different districts, and help provide the education and support that they need to teach the trades to their students as well.
Boss Laser would be something that we would recommend to anybody. They've been a great partner with us in the process, but at the same time been a great piece of equipment for our schools across the state.
We're very satisfied with our Boss Lasers.
We will definitely continue our relationship with Boss Laser.
Girl Power, it's our time to shine. We're unstoppable.